Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Logitech G923 Shifter. And pretty much all you need to do is, as you can see, it's in first gear right now. And I'm changing the gears and it's obviously not working. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the settings. And you have to go to difficulty, and then you have to go all the way down to shifting and change it to manual with clutch. Now pretty much, as you can see, it's still not going to work. So it's in first gear right now and nothing's happening. So what you want to do is you're going to go and restart your controller. Restart the wheels. So now what's going to happen is it's going to restart, and pretty much this is going to restart with it too. So now once we reconnect the controller, it's in neutral now and everything's working. So that's how you fix the Logitech G923 problem.